Hello, welcome to Eerie Earth Tours. Today we are going to be walking through the Christmas market here in Edinburgh. I'm going to give you an idea of what it's like so you can decide if you want to come here yourself. I did a video like this last year so you get an idea of what the Christmas market is like, what you can expect, and get into that festive spirit. Let's get started. Okay, so there's 2 or 3 different entrances into Christmas market. We've just come in through the Market Street entrance. There's also an entrance up on Princess Street and by the National Gallery as well. And here we have a picture of the map to show you how big the market is this year. So we have got the East Princess Street Gardens here with all the stalls and Ferris wheel as per usual, and then over here on the west of Princess Street Gardens you've got all the stalls, some games and some other fun activities up there. And this kind of shows you up on George Street we have got an ice rink, and we've also got the Koori Inn and Polar Ice Bar, and then there's more stuff going on in St Andrew's Square. So there seems to be an awful lot of things going on here in Edinburgh for Christmas, which is quite nice. And we've also got some shows as well, Swamp-esque, if you want to see Shrek in drag. So here we have some of our normal stalls that you would imagine, selling all manners of different things. So we have Scotland's biggest sword shop here, selling all manners of cool little trinkets. And we've got a curd shop here. And just some general kind of really nice atmosphere going on. I've got whiskey and spirits in this one, and brownies and other sweet treats going on here, and then some light up stars in this one, which is actually quite nice. And then everybody loves a good old sock shop, Socktopus, selling all manners of different kind of socks, novelty socks. Nothing wrong with some fun shops, socks. And then we've got some donuts here, which okay, but it's kind of average price of what you would expect to spend at these sort of things. But everything looks very Christmassy, very, very nice as well, which is always very fun to see. We've got a lovely little eating area over here where you can partake in some of the food here and then just come down and sit down. And it's a nice sort of area. They didn't have this last year. Last year, this section of Market Street, part of the gardens, was a walking through light display. It wasn't great. So it's actually quite nice that they've done something a little bit different here. Here we've got some pick and mix, all manners of different sweets on display here, which you can buy. Feel your teeth just rotting just looking at this stuff. And some more kind of festive fries, and then over on the other side of the eater area you have the bar. So coming away from the Market Street part of the Christmas market, you have this massive snow globe which you can pay to go inside and have your picture taken with the snow blowing all around you, which is actually quite a nice little idea. It's a nice little Christmas card picture, ideal for kids to have fun with. We also have a nice little area here which you press the button and all the lights light up, leading up to the reindeer up in the middle of the tree, which would obviously be a lot more effective at night, but it's still very nice to see. Now we make our way along this section of Princess Street Gardens underneath the National Gallery to make our way up to the Christmas market proper. Coming down through the bottom part of Princess Street Gardens here, we've got some areas where people can gather and take photographs with the market in the background and the Scott Monument looming over the gardens. And you've also got a massive disco ball which is all lit up so people can take pictures underneath it and just have a general kind of nice Christmas card picture or postcard picture souvenir of the Christmas market, which is really nice. And you actually get quite a nice view of the Christmas market from up here with the willow tree there. And then you've got the big disco ball here, which the closer you get, you realise has seen better days. But from a distance, it looks quite nice. And then you've got the Scott Monument there, with the Hurly Whirly here, and then all the Christmas market up there with the Ferris wheel, which is kind of cool. Okay, now we're making our way into Christmas market proper here. Now, I'm filming this on the 29th of November. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and it's very busy. So if you want to experience it at night, come at night because it'll be nice with all lit up and a really nice atmosphere. However, I would come early to avoid disappointment of it being really, really busy. Here we have all the rides, spinny chairs. Not for me, thank you very much. And you can see it's incredibly, incredibly busy. But similar to last year, you have the music playing, you have the lights on. It's very nice, certainly a nice atmosphere. But yeah, not for me. There is a photo booth here so you can get your photos taken if you want to, in the old style of the old kind of passports photo style. And that's the recommendations for the ride. Now I suspect the ride is probably £10 to £15 per person to go up. I don't think they're very cheap, which you kind of expect that when you come to a place like this. But what's really nice is that you've got the Christmas market and then you have the castle off in the distance looming over the Christmas market. Here's the Helter Skelter. Again, it was here last year, and it kind of right at the bottom you've got the Helter Skelter bar and opportunity for lots more food here. So, sorry, beg pardon. All your normals of your gelatis, crepes, hot drinks, and Belgian waffles. And then quintessentially Christmas stall here, selling things like potpourri, gingerbread men, and Christmas decorations to get you into the festive spirit. And then another sort of eatery area here where you can enjoy the food that you've bought, and more areas in order to buy food. Here we've got apple crumble, which is different, Oreo crumble, custard. We've got a burger van and a roast van over here. It smells incredible. You can hear the sizzling of the food. If this had smell-o-vision, it'd be great. But it's just more of the same sort of things. Just food, pancakes, burgers down here. And then a stall full of tartan scarves and woolly jumpers to give you an idea. So we're going to move back to for the Helter Skelter. You get £4, but if you've got an Edinburgh postcode, you get 20% off, which is quite nice, I guess, because it means at least Edinburgh residents will be able to enjoy the ride without having to pay extortionate prices for it. Here, that's the 1 o'clock gun going off. It's good that you're able to hear that if you heard that big explosion. So here we've got some more food, hot roasted chestnuts, and we've got another bar here. The fact that they have to have a sign saying to please not throw the peel on the ground says an awful lot about the human race. And here we've got more stalls here, woolly jumpers, scarves, and then a fudge stall over on the right here, the Fudge Company. You can buy all different kinds of fudge. And lots of handmade products, which is really nice. So here we have soaps, handmade perfumes, candles and soaps made of honey. All manners of different products here. And we've got lots of wooden decorations over here, wooden statues, angels and all that kind of stuff, which is really nice. Candle holders, handbags, earmuffs, all handmade things, which is really nice to see. And we've got handmade baubles, pictures, prints, all that kind of stuff here, and then ceramics. And then of course we turn around, we've got the big Ferris wheel standing pride of place. And let's go have a look at the prices and see how much it is. So as I expected, very expensive. £11 for an adult, £9 for concessions, and if you've got a family ticket of 2 people, it's £35. So presumably that is 2 adults at max and as many kids as you'd like to fit in the pod. I mean, the views would be nice, but for that kind of money, you'd be better off going up the Scott Monument, which is only £8 to go inside, to be honest. You get exactly the same views. So as we move into the back area of this section of the east of the Princess Street Gardens, we come into some more stalls, food stalls. On the right here we've got the German bar where you can buy German beer. You can also buy mulled wine, and there's a section there for you to be able to enjoy it. And these spinny mobiles are back again. They were here last year. Seems to be a lot of the same stalls when you come to things like this. They all seem to be the same sort of stuff. Nothing ever really seems to be different. We've got the lovely smelling, I must say, Christmas stalls here with all of the beautiful smelling wreaths here. It smells absolutely incredible. The felt beautiful Christmas decorations here. But I must say, it smells absolutely amazing. It smells really, really beautiful of citrus. And we move around for more hot chocolate and chip sticks. Hot chocolate cream marshmallows, woolly hats, Christmas hats, which is lovely. Christmas huts, kind of candles, some light up, or incense holders as well, which is really, some of them are quite nice. Socks and gloves, homemade hand-painted baubles here. And Isle of Skye Leather Company. Leather wallets, leather purses, belts, gloves. Lovely belts. strong smell of leather. Beautiful jewellery here, handmade jewellery. You're okay. Cocktails. Badges. For the nerd in your life, you could get a different cocktail themed after Stranger Things, Last of Us, Spider-Man. And your tartan bow ties, cufflinks. Handmade wooden decorations, which is really nice. And then more stalls all over. Some rings and jewellery over on that side. Some more scarves on this side. And some more decorations over here. Some nice homemade picture frames and more decorations and trinkets for your dogs. Signs and coasters. Crockery pictures. More signs and bottle cap signs, which is kind of cool. And then we come back round for some more stalls and some more food. Okay, so I'm going to end the video here. I hope you really enjoyed this quick look at the Edinburgh Christmas Market. Everyone here at Eerie Earth Tours wants to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year, and we really look forward to 2025, where hopefully we will be able to host you on one of our many tours around the city. If you would like to book a tour with Eerie Earth Tours or find out more, just simply visit eerieearthtours.com. That's eerieearthtours.com, where you can book a tour, or you can just find out a little bit more about what we do. You can follow us on social media, on Instagram at Eerie Earth Tours, and we really hope to be able to see you in 2025. So thanks very much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.